Muscle loss after 60, known as sarcopenia, progresses quietly. Many people assume weakness, shaky legs, and slow movement are natural signs of aging. But research shows that certain vegetable-based proteins can help the body preserve strength, rebuild muscle fibers, and maintain balance. They do often more effectively than commonly assumed sources like eggs. These plant foods contain amino acids, minerals, and protective antioxidants that support muscle tissue, cellular repair, and coordination. Below is an evidence-based look at 9 vegetables, with notable benefits for muscle, health, and aging. Before we continue, if this video helps you in any way, make sure to like and subscribe. Let's begin the countdown. Number 9. Okra. Okra supports muscle health not through its protein content alone, but through the way it enhances nutrient absorption. Its natural soluble fiber and mucilage soothe the digestive tract, improving the uptake of amino acids from all foods eaten throughout the day. Okra also supplies antioxidants that reduce muscle-damaging inflammation, while magnesium and potassium help maintain smooth muscle contractions and reduce cramping. Number 8. Asparagus. Asparagus contains moderate plant protein along with choline, a nutrient essential for communication between nerves and muscles. Adequate choline supports coordination and steadiness. Asparagus also provides folate and vitamin E, which help repair tissue and enhance circulation, increasing the oxygen supply muscles need for strength and endurance. It additionally supports natural fluid balance, easing swelling in the lower body. Number 7. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts offer a notable combination of plant protein and vitamin C, which the body uses to form collagen, the structural support system for muscles, tendons, and ligaments. They also contain glucosinolates, compounds that help calm low-grade inflammation linked to joint discomfort and muscle stiffness. Their vitamin K content further supports bone density and nerve-to-muscle signaling. Number 6. Broccoli. Broccoli provides plant protein along with sulforaphane, a compound shown to reduce chronic inflammation that weakens muscle tissues with age. This vegetable supports collagen formation, bone strength, and balanced digestion, ensuring that the protein from other foods is better utilized. The nutrient profile promotes flexibility, quicker recovery, and steadier blood sugar, all beneficial for long-term muscle preservation. Number 5. Kale. Kale contains plant protein and a dense concentration of nutrients that support muscle resilience. Vitamin K helps direct calcium into bones and muscles, supporting stability and balance. Vitamin C aids collagen formation, while alpha-lipoic acid protects muscle cells from oxidative stress. Kale also contains magnesium, potassium, and calcium to reduce cramping and improve muscle coordination. Number 4. Spinach. Spinach is rich in magnesium, a mineral required for muscle contraction and relaxation. It also contains natural nitrates that improve circulation, allowing more oxygen to reach muscle tissue. This supports greater endurance and faster recovery. Its carotenoids, such as lutein and zeaxanthin, reduce inflammation that contributes to muscle weakening over time. Number 3. Mushrooms. Mushrooms contain plant protein that becomes more bioavailable once cooked. They also supply B vitamins for steady energy production and selenium for muscle cell protection. Unique compounds like ergothioneine and beta-glucans help counter oxidative stress and inflammation linked to muscle decline, while also supporting cognitive function, essential for coordination and balance. Number 2. Green peas. Green peas are one of the most protein-dense vegetables, providing leucine, the amino acid that signals the body to start muscle repair. This is especially important for older adults whose muscles respond less efficiently to protein. Peas also support digestion, bone strength, and steady circulation through their fiber, vitamin K, and folate content. Number 1. Moringa. Moringa leaves are among the richest plant-based proteins available, containing all 9 essential amino acids, including leucine. This makes them uniquely effective for supporting muscle maintenance after 60. Moringa also contributes iron for energy, calcium for bone support, and antioxidants that protect muscles from long-term inflammation. It provides a multi-layered system of nutritional support that aids strength, mobility, and vitality. As we've seen, each of these vegetables offers unique nutrients that help protect strength, support muscle repair, and maintain mobility as we age. Whether it's improving digestion, reducing inflammation, strengthening bones, or enhancing circulation, these plant-based proteins work together to support long-term vitality. Adding a variety of them to your meals can make a meaningful difference in daily energy, balance, and overall resilience. If you'd like more helpful, research-based health information designed for healthy aging, make sure to subscribe for future videos.